Consultation workshop, known as TCW, at the ASCH Annual Workshop in Reno, March 19th to the 22nd. And Dr. Eric Smith will be co-teaching with me. The TCW is a 10-hour required course for people who'd like to become an approved consultant. And it's a course where we talk about group dynamics. We teach you how to run small groups and give feedback to beginners learning hypnosis. We do practice consultation sessions. We have actual videos of real group experiences that you give feedback to. And it's really a fun and dynamic workshop where people in the past have said they've learned a lot and really, really enjoyed it. So please come join us in March in Reno, the 19th to the 22nd, and get your 10-hour TCW training.